Hi everybody. Today I just get my Citizen Tsuyosa NJ0150-81x with green version, and I want to show it to you. But first, what we get with our watch. There is a box, international guarantee, instruction, and our watch. So here is it with beautiful green bottle dial. Okay, good. I hope that this time image stabilization and image quality will be better than last time, and we can start our Citizen Tsuyosa green version video review. Like I said before, really nice bottle green dial, classic president bracelet, 40 millimeters dial, 11.7 millimeters thickness, date with a loop, so exactly like the previous version. It's nothing changed. Of course, automatic with 3 hands, so hour hands, second hand, and minute hand, and inside is our automatic Miyota 8210 on 21 Jevers and 40 hours power reserve. From backside you've got a sapphire glass. You can see a Citizen rotor. Of course, you've got also sapphire glass in the front of the watch, and from the backside you've got also just few info like the watch name, serial number, 5-bar water resistant, and nothing more interesting. I just put it for a while on one hand rest, and now you can see how does it look. So like I said previously, president bracelet style with Citizen logo, butterfly claws, quite convenient, 140 gram weight, with extra micro adjustment, so you don't have to take off whole pin. You can just do it with pin bar. It's a little bit easier. I think it's also worth to say that the watch case is brushed, so it's harder to make any scratch on them, and it's definitely easier to make it to keep it clean, and you don't have to polish it every time when you've got so small scratch. Additionally, watch came from year 2023, so it's from now. From January, Citizen decide to give extra stop second, so it's really good. It's really good extras. It's make life easier, and like you can see, first setting it's a date setting. You can change the date. You push out the crown harder. Now you see the second hand stopped, and you can change the time. So it's really easy to recognize from which year you've got your watch. Every Tsuyosa collection watch before 2023 it's without stop second. Everything after is with stop second. If you just need more info about Tsuyosa, just came into my channel. I've got also video with Tsuyosa in yellow version. There's a bit longer video. You can get more information, and if you've got any question, just comment or just send me a private message, and I will try to answer to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to left comment, like, and see you next time.